Kani kadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange Nissan, lom so po niya fabricate Shillong.
Adien baka Sorkar kala weng ya kajing perking ya kipat ba abanya na kawai ke jela sya kawai pat haka shiterik ubnai jemang arajar arpau lasaki ba dagi spangut ki jaj mri Mizo ki bawan puli ha ki jaka puli boper jonggonong ba shalong bat kuntup ru ya ki bashuan shim dawai naga jaka ajing smar jong North East Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences Shillong kila yolat ban Leit Phai no sha Ïing sha Mizoram lengba ka jing shim kya jong Sorkar Mizoram kabala yakren penbet bat ka Sorkar Meghalaya Hakjing ekren baru Deputy Resident Commissioner jangka Mizoram House Shillong u mal sound wala ulai thu baka jing Leit Phai no jongki shala ka jongka jela kalong hadien bakim don lat shu dakum pat namar ka jing hiran ka platengka na ka daw ka jing penjari jong Sorkar ya ka jing pakhang shinong ka balane mentala shibnai tam bat ka ban sakut hado ka laiterik u jemang arjar arpo Nagaliang jong Batisi TV kalau yolat banyak keren bat ki katto kan ingut ki samla puli Mizo ki balakio hagi bos balapun kre daga Sorkar Mizoram ban pen poisuk shala ki jong ki Ïing ki sem
Mostly students, they come here to study.
Okay. So how many of them are there in the bus?
20, 30 people, I actually don't know.
Because there are more bus and more people to come. Okay. So where are the other buses?
I have no idea. I think there are more to come. They're gonna come in sequence or day by day.
Okay, so this is the first bus?
I think so.
Okay.
Because we do not know when our studies will be resumed again, so it's safer for us to.
So you are a student. Which college?
IIPS.
IIPS. So where do you stay? Here in Shillong? Demtring.
Who are student leaders? MSU. Yes, Mizo students. One of our leaders is here.
How many of you are here?
Students?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. But today, around 250 of us are leaving. No, different colleges. Some of them are from UCC.
During this national lockdown, due to this national lockdown, a number of people from Mizoram, some are studying in schools and colleges, some have come to Shillong for medical checkup. They are stranded here. So many of them are facing problems like a shortage of money and all. So the government of Mizoram has requested the government of Meghalaya to allow them to bring back these people who are stranded. So we are bringing back them with a transportation arranged by the government in consultation with the government of Meghalaya and the government of Assam. Okay. Today around 240 people who are stranded will be taken back to Mizoram in 7 buses. The buses are stationed in different places in Danketi and in Madanriting also, in Brigade, Phai Brigade, and Solad.
Okay,
Solad also it's there, and Nongthumai one is there.
Okay.
So and yeah, most of them, I think around half of them are students, and around another half will be people who have come for medical checkup or people who have come here for maybe other reasons. The government of Mizoram has given us just 3 days for this to arrange. So the main arrangement is for today. Today all the buses will leave. So tomorrow a few small vehicles will leave, and that is all. So this morning a few small vehicles have left.